So, let's see what is inside. Thank you so much sa blessing. Thanks be to God. Salamat po. Thanks a lot. Ano kaya ang nasa loob nito? What is inside the box? Guess what? Guess po natin kung anong nasa. Ikaw ma, ano nasa loob nito? Please guess.
Mga dilata.
What kind of canned goods? Chararan, chan,
Halo-halo.
chan, halo-halo daw. What is inside? Oh, what's this? Wow! Wow naman! Thank you, Lord. Meron kaming ganito. What are these gifts? Ano po kaya ito? Efficacent. We have efficacent. We have this almond chocolate and saan ga? From Malaysia.
Wow.
And we also have Bear Brand. And there is more tiramisu. Originally from what country? Indonesia. Okay, we have tiramisu. Yes, come. And we have
Thank you, Apo.
waffles.
God bless you all the more. I love you. Thank you, Ephraim.
And we also have green tea with ginger. And there's a lot more. Our favorite, the alcohol. And what? Corned beef. And lahat ng request ni Mama nandito The Vicks Vapor Rub. And also, what else?
Thank you so much, Sejin.
The almond chocolate tiramisu.
Yan ang
From Malaysia.
galing sa...
Thank you, anak, Ephraim, for these blessings. God bless you all the more.
Pasalubong yan, galing sila sa ano?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sejin, Apo.
Nung sila ay nag-cruise,
Galing kayo sa pag-cruise ng many countries. Some countries.
salamat in a million times, anak. God bless you even more in all aspects of your life.